Hi, I'm Chris Eilers, General Manager at Strong's Yacht Center. With over 80 years of trusted marine service behind us, we are committed to keeping your vessel in tip-top shape. At Strong's, we've assembled a team of some of the region's best technicians, mechanics, and craftsmen. Our facility is able to handle all jobs, diesel to IPS pods to even fiberglass repair. At Strong's, we offer winter storage for yachts up to 100 feet, securely inside or outside. We handle all winterization, including pump out, haul out, and even spring commissioning. We're proud to sell and service world-class yachts like Cruisers and Fairline. Our experience with these premium brands ensures your service is done with expertise. Our marine travel lift is capable of hauling vessels up to 85 tons here at our Mattituck location, with convenient access to Long Island Sound.
At Strong's Yachts, we believe every service experience should give you complete confidence in how your vessel is cared for. That's why we created Strong's Yacht Vision, our quality assurance program built around transparency, accuracy, and exceptional care. Each time your yacht arrives for service, our team checks it in for performance, a detailed video walkthrough, and condition inspection before any work begins, so you can see exactly how your boat arrived in our care. Once service is complete, we review the original inspection to confirm all work has been performed and your yacht is ready to be returned in top condition.
With certified master technicians, fully stocked road vans, service docks, and a comprehensive total care maintenance program, we make it easy to protect your investment so you enjoy a full summer of boating. Strong's Yacht Center, experienced, reliable, for everything your boat needs. Reach out and let's get you set for your next voyage.